to crack the US F1 visa? Yes, that's the trending topic for today's Ed Talk as we navigate the questions posted by most of you since the visa slots became available this month. What? You didn't manage a slot? Or paid tens of thousands of rupees to get a slot? Which world are you living in? At Canam, we have a team who helps you book your F1 visa slot and all for free. Yes, you heard it right, all for free. See, studying in the US is a dream for many, but the first step to achieve that dream is securing your F1 visa. Facing a visa rejection can be quite disheartening, but understanding common mistakes and how to avoid them can significantly improve your chances of success in a visa. Now let's dive into the top reasons for US F1 visa rejections and explore strategies to overcome them. Reason number 1, intent to return. Now the most frequent reason for visa rejection is failing to demonstrate clear intention to return to your home country after completing your studies. Well, it's really crucial to indicate that your stay in the US will be temporary. Reason number 2, incomplete documentation. Submitting incomplete or missing documents can result in delays or outright denials. Ensure that every required document is prepared and uploaded correctly. Reason number 3, insufficient information. Now, providing inadequate information during the visa interview can cause the officer to doubt your genuine intentions and give you a visa refusal. Be thorough and transparent in your responses. So here are the tips to avoid visa rejections. 1, organize your documents. Now just make sure that you have all the mandatory documents arranged in a proper order, including your I-20 form, DS-160 free receipt, SEVI's free receipt, financial records to prove that you can cover your tuition and living expenses and all other extra expenses, previous academic records, and work-related documents if applicable. 2, prepare for your interview. Now, preparation is really crucial despite however confident you may be. Be ready to clearly explain your study goals, why you chose your particular university, the specifics of your course, and your career aspirations after you complete your program. In fact, don't keep waiting to be asked a specific question to come out with your key achievements. Just go ahead and talk about it. Remember, you just have those 3 to 4 minutes in front of a visa officer to make a positive impression. Do practice potential questions, but please don't memorize your answers. Instead, understand the key points that you should be bringing out, because a visa officer can quickly identify who's the person who's memorized and who's being honest. Third, be genuine. It's important to be natural during your interview. Visa officers are trained to spot memorized answers, so focus on being honest about your intentions and plans. Fourth, show strong ties to your home country. Emphasize your intention to return home after your studies. How do you do that? Well, this could include discussing family ties, job prospects in India in your field of study, if on study leave with your current employer, or other commitments in your home country. Actually, navigating the visa process can be really complex, but you don't have to do it alone. At Canam, we are ARC certified, which means American International Recruitment Council keeps conducting regular, rigorous external reviews, and each time Canam counselors have come up with flying colors. They check ethical standards based on international recruitment strategies, and we've always come out with flying colors. Our expert team provides personalized guidance to help you prepare for the visa process with ease. From application assistance to interview preparation, we cover it all. For your information, the students love our free F1 visa slot booking for them. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our socials to get the latest updates on Ed Talks and Ed News, and also participate in our fun quiz on Instagram and win prizes every week. And do connect with Canam today to turn your study abroad dreams into a reality. Thank you and see you soon.